Hello everyone, in this video we're just going to take a look at Cubby the Curious Bear. This is one of the FurReal range from Hasbro. It's one of those sort of cuddly robotic toys that you can interact with. I bought this for my 2.5-year-old daughter. She's got this phase of teddy bears at the moment. As you can see, you can play peekaboo with it, it will react to your voice, you can feed it, and you've also got a nighttime mode where it will go to sleep and cuddle up, which hopefully will be quite handy for her because she has this habit of waking up at 2 o'clock in the morning and coming in our bed at the moment. So you've probably seen these before, or you might be thinking about getting one of these for your little ones for Christmas. If you've already got one, let me know in the comments how your little ones responded to it, and if it's been a worthwhile buy, or if it's just been one of those toys that they've got bored with quite quickly. Unlike other videos on YouTube that you see, I always like to just basically open the box as I film it. Then you're getting the same sort of experience that I am. I know a lot of people on YouTube just play with the item first and get used to it before they do anything with it on camera. I don't really think that's the way to go personally. I think if you're watching an unboxing of something, you want to experience it fresh, as it were. So apologies in advance if I get stumbled from words or anything what to say. So it's all taped up inside. He appears he's very well packaged. There's more tape along here as well. I was just wondering what was going on then. Tape along there. There's some instructions in there, and that's where everything appears to be fastened. So I'm assuming we can just undo these tabs here and slide him out. There we go. I'll try not to take him fully out of his packaging because I want to keep him presentable in the box for the little ones to unwrap and play with at Christmas. But obviously we need to put batteries in and check that it all works before we give them to them. And a quick look at the little instruction guide that's provided. Apparently his birthday is November 7th and his talent is following his nose. So we want 4 of these. I've not seen C batteries needed in a device for quite some time, so 4 of those. Where do they go? They go there. Let's have a look. Also, I'm going to have to take him out of the package totally to put his batteries in. I thought the mic was just gone into under his foot, but it doesn't look like it. So we'll have to take him out and see where his package is. His battery compartment is, should I say. So we'll cut these. I knew what I'd done with my Stanley knife. So it shouldn't be too bad for putting him back in. I don't think, if anything, cutting all these off first is probably quite a good idea, especially when it's a Christmas present. So I can still sit him back in his packaging. It's nice to see that the majority of this packaging is actually cardboard and not plastic. And the amount of things I've seen recently that are just wrapped in 3 or 4 layers of plastic, especially with all the talk about the environment at the moment. So I can just pull out from the top of his head. Some more plastic tabs here. And there was me just saying there wasn't much in the way of plastic. Actually, yeah, that is plastic. So hopefully he'll come off now. No, more plastic. It's like he's been held hostage. I suppose they have to do this to stop it from moving in shipping, but it'd be a bit of a pain in the backside for Christmas Day if your little one just wants to get out of the box and you're there trying to find something to cut all these bits with. Right, so we'll put that back there, and he's posable with his legs, so that the idea is you can give him a cuddle or stand him up. That's your switch on there, that's your power on off. Nighttime mode, I'm not quite sure if you can See that on the camera? So power on, off and sleep mode, so that's when you want it to go to be quiet on the night and not keep setting your little one off. Batteries, battery compartment there. As you can see, we need a Phillips to open that. Putting the batteries where his bum is, that's quite a funny little touch. We'll do now. Open his bum up. And as you can see, we need to pop those C batteries in there. Oh, these are D batteries, aren't they? Trust me, pick the wrong ones up. Luckily I did buy some more. So here we need some C batteries. So he needs, so we've now opened him up and we need to put the batteries in, which is 4 litres of C batteries, which is that size. Don't ask me why I thought it was the D's. They're D size, aren't they? I've had these sitting around on a shelf and I just thought, oh, I've already got some. Obviously it's those. And the reason I bought these is it's always handy to have an extra pack with any electronic toy or game at Christmas. So now I'll have to order some more to come before Christmas, just to keep them quiet. Hopefully they're all the correct way. I will just show you. Just double check that the batteries are in the right way. I'm pretty sure it showed a picture of it. I'm assuming I can find it. It's got about everything but, yeah. 2 is positive, 2 is negative. So hopefully we can put that back on. Put his bum back together. A little bit fiddly, not to get the fur trapped. I don't suppose you'll be doing this that often. Hopefully the batteries will last a while, more than a couple of days. I'm going to stick all the Velcro back together. And now, the moment of truth, we'll put him back in the sitting position so we can see him and we'll see what he does. Hide and seek. So he does something. There's supposed to be lots of places where he likes to be touched. These pressure points are actually quite good. Very, very slight touch. I don't know if there's one there. No, doesn't appear to be one there. Oh, there is one just under his chin. Just under his chin there. Or was it his chin? There. Just seems to have quite a few. Boo! So, anyway, he's working. Oh, he has got a pressure point there then. Oh, he likes that. It's a bit strange, isn't it? A grown man going, oh, he likes that. Yeah. So there is a, oh yeah, there is, you have to push it quite hard there. Yeah. A YouTube video of a grown man stroking a teddy and making it laugh. Oh dear. So, if we put him into sleep mode, so it's got like a lullaby sound playing while he sleeps. And the pressure points don't work now. That's good to see. One thing we've not tried is his food, which are his containers here. Apparently he can sense the difference between them. You can just get some of these out. I might just leave it out and just... I think he'll just... yeah, it is. So he'll try and eat my fingers anyway. Yeah. So if you put something in his mouth he thinks he's eating. Don't you get a screwdriver? Yeah, okay, so pretty much eat anything. So anyway, that was just a quick look at this Cubby, the Curious Bear. As I say, it's a Christmas gift for my 2.5-year-old. I just thought I'd share it with you while I was putting it together, put the batteries in ready. So it's a case of just pop it back in its box now. I'll switch it off. Switch it off. Put it in his box. You get the gist. We'll put him back in his box so that he's ready for unwrapping, and at least he can be taken straight out the box then and played with. So there we are, Cubby the Curious Bear. As I say, it was just a quick look to see that it was all working, put his batteries in, get him ready for the Christmas gift, because there's nothing worse than having a gift that you have to spend half an hour getting ready for the little ones. It's better just to pull them out of the box once they've been unwrapped and let them play with. So let me know in the comments if you've got one of these, or if you think it's all annoying, or if you think that little ones will enjoy it. And as I say, if you've got one for your little ones, how they found it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and Merry Christmas, and hope to see you again soon. Bye.